Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Equalizer Preset for your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7. And you have a few options how to change it. We can use the controls or we can use an application. So let's get started with using application. Open Sony Music Center. Now scroll down and go to settings. Right here you need to select sound and then go to sound effects. And right here we have two presets and third one is a custom one. So you can just tap on the best one for you and as you can see we just change it or something else. But also as I said previous we can use a control, and right here near to the volume up button we have Alt button. So you need to just press one time. So now my equalizer is turned off, and if I press one time I will swap to the first preset. If I press again I will swap to the second preset, and if I press third time I will turn off this equalizer preset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!